How to add temperature in Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to the Instagram application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. After logging into your account, what you need to do is just tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen, then tap on the story section. So here you can just click a picture for your story, and after clicking a picture, you can see different menus at the top of the screen. Tap on the sticker icon at the top, and here you can see, just scroll down and you'll be able to see different temperatures over here. Just tap on the temperature and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.